In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate pages and posts on your WordPress website. Now, unfortunately, there is no built-in tool that lets you duplicate pages. So what you'll need to do is come over to plugins from the left-hand side of your website, and right at the top, you'll need to select Add New Plugin. Then if you just scroll down and come over to this search box, we're just going to type in the word duplicate and hit enter. Now, there's a bunch of different plugins that you can use for this, but the one I like to use is this duplicate page. So I'm just going to click on this and select install now. And then once that's finished installing, you simply need to click on activate. So now that we've activated this plugin, you can either go over to your posts or pages. So I'm just going to select my pages from the left-hand side here. Then if you scroll down to your list of pages, all you need to do is hover your mouse over the page that you want to duplicate. And then you just press on duplicate this. And now if I scroll down once again, you can see now we have two copies of the exact same page. And you can do the same thing for your posts as well. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you duplicate pages in WordPress. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.